Are you still struggling with the click-through rate? Yeah, me too. Hi, I'm Dawnnie Mercado, and on this channel, I help actors who want to excel on YouTube. I learned something today. It's brand new. So here we are in Creator Tips in the back end. And I was looking at changing my thumbnails to be more realistic because a lot of people don't want to do AI. They don't like the AI-generated thumbnails or content for that matter. So I was scrolling through and I'm looking at the ones that I think are great videos. If you haven't watched them, you should watch them. I'm scrolling through and I'm thinking, okay, well, this one, 123, 106, anything that had a low view count, I was considering changing the thumbnails. And now I can get YouTube to make my thumbnails for me? I remember it took me a long time to make this thumbnail, and I only have 47 views. And it's very useful information how to fix a copyright claim 2 ways. All right, so let's see. What I was considering doing was just going down here and saying, okay, I'm going to pick one of the 3 that it gives me. You know how right here, these buttons, they used to give you 3 options to choose from. There's none there. My options are select from video, change, download, or A/B testing. Let's see select from video. It is there, but they're not looking the same way they used to. They used to already be generated, and then I could go and click 1, 2, or 3. Okay. I could click this one. I kind of like it. However, I also found something that didn't used to be there. Okay, so now I know where that is. That's hidden. It used to say, click from suggestions, but now you have to say, oh, reselect. Okay. All right, well, okay. Now I know where that is. But you see this here? This is the new part. Get suggestions. Okay, let's see what happens when we click it. And this is YouTube itself. Click on Get Suggestions. See how right here it says Design My Thumbnail? It took a few minutes, but it did one for me just moments ago. Right here. It's already working. I don't need to say a thing. It made this for me. Remove copyright. That's my actual face from it's not my actual face, but it's a likeness based on my photo from the video. I'm going to say yes, I'm going to accept it. So you have to download it first. You can't put it directly into your video like this one over here. I could just say, yes, I want it. So I do like that lady though. I might come back and use that later. Can I? No, I'd have to choose it first. Okay. I'm going to download this. This is how you do that. Right here, the arrow, download. I have a folder thumbnails to emulate. I would suggest saving all the thumbnails you create in one place. I can't type. Fix copyright with an R. Trying to type with one hand. Okay, and save. Then you go here and you upload. Fix copyright. Save. To tell you the truth, the one that I had already created painstakingly, I think scored higher than an 81. But since YouTube made this, I'm using it. You know why? I have found that whenever YouTube comes out with a new feature, people who use it are slightly, I don't want to say favored, because obviously I've tried other things they've come out with, but I think that they push your videos out when you try new things because you're testing with them. So let's see how my click-through rate increases on that video. And to tell you the truth, since it's not a newer video, I'll be able to tell if people start to watch it again. So you can't see them here because it takes a while to refresh, but I accepted one they made me a minute ago for, let's see, let's go to my videos. A few minutes ago, I accepted this one that they made for me. pretty cool. And that's a useful video. And I never considered putting no AI needed on it because I'm using the masking feature. So I hope that gets more views from people who don't like AI, because that's CapCut, but I'm not using AI. I think I'm going to go ahead and check this one out. I don't know. What would they make? Only 9 views, and that's pretty useful. AI thumbnails for 39 cents. From vidIQ versus Fall AI. Let's have it make another one, because that's a pretty good video and it deserves way more than 9 views 4 months ago. I'm testing to see if it gives it a new life. Go by views. That one only had 9, right? We'll find it. How embarrassing. I'm showing you that a video only had 9. That proves that I'm willing to fail right in front of you so that you can learn from my mistakes. Okay, here's this one. So we're going to go to details. And this logo here is the Ask Studio logo. See, it's up there, Ask Studio. That's how I realized that this was a horrible one that was made. I hated it so much. So let's see what it does now. This has gotten much better. Get suggestions. If you scroll down, it says just a second. I do remember now, I changed that thumbnail like many times on the day that I was posting it. Hey, that's pretty cool. vidIQ versus Fall.ai. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited about this, aren't you? Okay, download. Yes, please. And save, and let's see what it scores. What was my score before? 87. Oh no, it already went up. I can't tell. It's an 83. And it was made by YouTube. Okay, so this is how you can make your thumbnails directly in YouTube Studio in the description area. I'm going to go and play with some more of mine, and then I'll report back. Very satisfied. I am very satisfied. Love. Hold on a second. I really feel like this takes some of the playing field and levels it for us, because people are spending money to get other people to make thumbnails for them, or they've done so many years of research, or they've been at this many more years than you and I, and now I can get YouTube to make my thumbnails for me? Yes, please. Please subscribe and watch the video that pops up next, because it is going to be very helpful to you and I, actor, and we are going to dominate this because we were made for this. We're actors. We're on camera anyway. Why not make money from it? I'll see you in the next one.